So today's cam day for Diablo. What we're dropping in it is the Texas Speed and Performance Chopacabra with the Hellcat lifters. Oh yeah. So just to give you kind of an idea of what we're doing pre-cam swap, this is Diablo, my 2014 Ram 1500 crew cab, Tyrant edition. So I'll just show you all the kind of engine things we got going on. Also just a few exterior mods: Vanguard off-road roll bar, XD Panzer rims, 20s, and the Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain Plus tires, TAC step bars, little T-Rex logo. And then in the front, here's what we got going engine-wise. So, AFE cold air intake. We did the BBK 87mm throttle body, BD diesel, headers. Diablosport coil packs. Did a clutch fan delete. Put the Dorman V6 electric fan in there. And so, like I said, today's cam day. We're dropping in the Texas Speed Chopacabra Hellcat lifters and trays, MDS delete, all that good stuff. And here's how Diablo looks from the front. Super stoked to get the Texas Speed cam put in. Also, before I forget, the exhaust and muffler system, courtesy of Black Widow exhaust. It's the Black Widow Widowmaker, the 10-inch resonator delete. Bigger, I think these ones are 5-inch tips. I can't remember what I put on it, but yeah, really killer exhaust system. Nice idle.